Welcome back to Life with Dahlia. I got a salad for you, and here are my ingredients. Stay tuned. You can go ahead, subscribe, and click the bell so you can get all my notifications. Like, comment, and share. So I wash and chop all my ingredients, and now I'll just put them together. So I put the apples and lettuce, the whole entire apple, and I just chop them in pieces. Then I'll add all my oranges or clementines. Yummy, that changes salad. Then I add the tomatoes, and that tastes delicious. And then I move on to the mixed cranberry and raisin. That adds some extra sweetness, makes it awesome. Look at that. That is like yummy. I just had some cheese. Can't say no to cheese. And then I'll just wait. I have like some beans that I'll add later and that to this, and that will add the extra protein. That makes a yummy lunch. Just look at that. I had some salt and black pepper. Now number 2. Here we go. Tomato to lettuce, just the same way. And then I had some apples also. Again, I love apples. And the twist, here comes the pineapple. Yeah, that makes the salad yummy. If the salad ain't nice, I ain't gonna eat it. I'm just gonna add my raisin cranberry mix, some shredded cheese, and yeah, Caesar dressing. Look at that. Fat, I know, but I'm using a smaller spoon. So then I just shake, and mix it all together. Grab myself a plate, and then I am gonna share some salad. Now this one I had with my dinner, which was some yams, but you can have whatever dinner you want to have with it. Rice, pasta, chicken, whatever. And I just had like half a teaspoon, not a tablespoon. I know on the bottle it says tablespoon, but I don't want all of that fat, but I still want to taste all that Caesar dressing. And I just mix it in, add some black pepper, and yeah, voila, look at that. So guys, try that out. Let me know what you think.